Hey guys, we're doing the play draw now for box 3. It's 5 o'clock PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yoink. Don't come in. And play a draw. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah. And complete. And there's Cannon, Jamal Murray, Brendan, Magic Johnson, Guy Bell, George Bevan, Brendan, Andrew Wiggins, Timothy Price, Tom Maker, Steve Harrison, Ben Simmons, Alan with Elgin Baylor, Brendan with Dirk and Levine, and Jerry West, Corey Leslie, Kevin Love, Brendan, Dr. J, Stuart Sales, Alan Iverson, Brendan, LeBron, Adam Bartley, Alonzo, Brendan, Dennis Rodman, Nick Powell, Porzingis, Shane Murphy, Penny Hardaway, Brendan Hakeem, Marcus Alott, Marcus Cousins, Steve Harrison, Clyde Drexler, Eugene Yu, Steph Curry, Timothy Price, Larry Bird, Charles with Kat, Jamie Grant, Vince Carter, Glenbow, Marco Fultz, and Shane Panther with Michael Jordan.